I'm Daniel Mikosic, one of the owners of Multiquip Transport. I'm the general manager of the business. Day to day is I look after the maintenance and operations of the whole company nationally. We roughly have 1,500 staff nationally. We have a large fleet of trucks, trailers and specialty equipment. We have roughly 700 trailers. We run refrigerator trailers, tipper trailers, drop decks, taut liners and tippers, with a strong focus on PBS combinations. We purchased the trailers in October of 2024. We previously bought trailers with the same Ferroplast box. We really liked that product and we thought we'd give this one a go. The use of the telematics has been great. We use it for a variety of different options, including tracking where the trailer is, checking what the temperature is, seeing if the doors are open or closed. We can also check for EBS faults. I bought the trailer from Freighter Group in Campbelltown. The support from the local dealer is great. Whenever I have an issue, I just pick up the phone and they sort it out for me straight away. The thermal efficiency of the trailer is second to none. With also being built on a Freighter chassis that's been tried and tested for the past 75 years, we know we're not going to have any problems. So a relationship between Multiquip and Freighter Group has been for about the past 5 years. We probably own about 50 different trailers in their product, with these being the newest style of trailers that we own. We also have Maxi-Cube trailers and Freighter drop deck trailers that we use in our day-to-day operation. They fit our needs specifically with the thermal efficiency and being able to rely on the product and make sure that our product gets to our customers at the right temperature. So with the load bars being inside the trailer, it's a lot easier for the driver as they just slide up and down instead of having to lift them in and out of the trailer. It's also convenient because they do not go missing. Weekly, we do about 760,000 kilometres, which is about 18,000 trips. With the A double, we use it to run between Tamworth and Sydney. And by using this combination, we've been able to take a full truck off the road, which does about 250,000 kilometres. My advice would be to compare these trailers with other trailers that are on the market. You can see from the get-go that these trailers will be able to stand up and do what needs to be done to the job.